Hello everyone, my name is Brianna Copp-petersen, a consultant for Acadia National Park. Thank you for meeting with me today to discuss a proposed transportation plan. Acadia National Park was established in 1916 and preserves over 30,000 acres in Hancock and Knox County of Maine. Popular park destinations are Cadillac Mountain and Ocean Drive Corridor. The park's current transportation infrastructure was constructed in the early 20th century and is made up of narrow winding roads and low bridges. These roadways were not designed for today's automobile types, speed, or volume. From 2007 to 2017, visitor numbers increased 59%. Most visitors are arriving by motor vehicle and have to navigate the park's historic but inadequate roads. The combination of automobile traffic volumes, speed, limited parking spaces, and an increasing number of park visitors have resulted in safety issues, resource concerns, and a decrease in overall visitor satisfaction. The project was prompted because of the increasing needs to address crowding and congestion issues at the park. Additionally, the park had to close Cadillac Mountain and Ocean Drive Corridor more frequently. It was recognized by the National Park Services that visitor experience, public safety, and natural resources were being degraded at the park. Therefore, this transportation plan was developed as a way to address these issues. If the plan is approved, there will be implementation of a timed entry reservation system that provides visitor with the satisfaction of knowing a parking space will be available for them at their desired destination. By implementing of this time entry reservation system, a reduction in automobile emissions should be seen. This plan will hopefully result in fewer damaging environmental impacts. Currently, visitors at the park have to idle and circle around parking lots to find or wait for a free parking space. This plan hopes to reduce and possibly eliminate automobile emissions resulting from automobile idling and traffic congestion. As a result from a decrease in automobile emissions, the park anticipates seeing better air quality for the regions northeast of Acadia. Reduction in automobile emissions would have a potential impact on the community health by decreasing the rate of respiratory diseases such as asthma or respiratory tract infections. Additionally, the plan hopes to improve the mental health of the park's visitors, which can decrease stress levels. A decrease in stress level can positively affect many health systems in the body. To best serve the park and ensure protection of resources, best management practices will be implemented. Mitigation measures will be used to minimize or avoid damaging impacts on the park. In general, park surface expansion will be minimized, and abandoned roads or parking lots will be rehabilitated to limit possible effects on the environment. To ensure air quality, construction and private vehicles will limit or avoid altogether idling. Also, construction equipment will comply with Environmental Protection Agency emission standards. Traffic counters, which already exist on the premises, will be utilized to monitor traffic and congestion. Park law enforcement rangers will be used to monitor parking. An overall trend watch will be observed to monitor decreasing traffic over time. Air quality can be monitored by calculating an overall air emissions estimate. Consultants will be needed in order to implement this monitoring parameter. Lastly, visitor surveys will be periodically administered to ensure overall experience and satisfaction by visitors of the park. The success of the plan can be measured by examination of many monitoring parameters. The use of the existing traffic counters will monitor traffic congestion. Success can be measured by calculating air quality improvements through an overall air emissions estimate resulting from the traffic in the park. Success would be a general trend of reduced emissions even if the numbers of the visitors rise, as well as a general trend of decreasing traffic issues over time. Lastly, to measure the success of the project with regards to visitor experience, visitor surveys can be used to track mental health issues by assessing if visitors feel more relaxed and confident. The overall success of the project is multifaceted and has many moving pieces. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention.